Thursday, October 28th, right here at Willies at Akins in Winder, Georgia. My birthday is next Tuesday, November 2nd. Mark it on the calendar. Real deal is going to be 37. I'm excited about it, y'all. It's just a number. It's all about how you think. And it is a miserable day today here. It's been raining. It's going to rain for the next few days, but we've got the Braves in the World Series. We got the Dogs playing the Gators this weekend. We're the #1 team in the country. So keep in mind, you're always blessed. No matter what the conditions are, you're always blessed. I have a great one for you today. A local guy from my hometown of TOCCOA, Georgia, who bought this truck from us, and I reconnected with Fernando, after probably 6 or 7 years, and he trusted in us to come see us and reconnect and purchase this 2019. This is a ruby red, not a rapid red, because rapid red came a few years later. So ruby red 2019 Akins Ford F-150 Platinum, a beautiful truck, but nonetheless he wanted some Covert edition love, and I love it, y'all. Tell me what you think. We are 3.5-inch ready lift SST lifted. This kit is one of my favorites. Don't break the bank as far as price point. Upper control arm, it's basically a spacer kit. It's like a mid-level lift kit, but it gets you that height that you need. And we've heard y'all say that it messes with your CV angles. It does affect your CV angles, as you can see there, but keep in mind that your four-wheel drive does not rotate unless four-wheel drive is engaged. So your everyday driving is not going to be affecting that. So if you are off-roading a lot, you may want to consider doing a true suspension lift kit if you are going to be using four-wheel drive a lot. But besides that, this 3.5-inch kit is a great overall cost-effective way to get that look you're looking for, along with having a more budget-friendly device for you. So the Platinum truck is phenomenal. And now the next topic is the fuel assault wheel. The fuel assault wheel is highly debatable because does it belong on a Platinum truck? Does it belong on a Raptor? Does it belong on a Jeep? It's a very off-road wheel, but we've seen this wheel on so many different vehicles. I personally think it belongs on a very small segment of vehicles. And I think it actually works very well on the Platinum here in gloss black and milled. We're 20x9 +1 on 35, 12 and a half, 20 ridge grapplers. So our mild to wild scale, we're right in that mid-level range. And keep in mind also on the 13th gen F-150s, the +1 does not stick out quite as much as it does on the 14th gen. So I like this offset on the 13th gen because of the suspension differences between the 13th gen and the new 14th gen, which we got a plentiful amount of now. But this Covert to me is a great overall stance. Not too tall. It's going to be a great everyday driver for Fernando. And I want to just throw a big shout out to him and his family for coming back and seeing us after all these years. And just look forward to more stuff with him to come, because I know that he's going to be coming back. He had a blue Akins tag on there, so I'm setting him up by putting a black Akins tag, because he's going to want to change those emblems. I know he is. He's going to want to do a different emblem combo, maybe paint the grill or rear applique. I just know we're going to get some more love put onto this truck, and it's just a beauty. This color to me is so premium, especially when customized. A good side shot of that mild to wild scale, as I was mentioning, it's not overdone at all. It has a great overall balance. I love it. Not too tall. Still rolling with 35s and aftermarket, a little more offset. Check this out. Stevens County, my hometown, y'all. It just means something a little bit more when you got someone from your hometown that knew you way back when, that reached back out to you to fix his ride up. That's awesome, man. I love that, y'all. I love the network. I love the connections that being in retail brings. And I love the vehicles. I love the vehicles, and custom is always better, y'all. Keep that in mind. So he had a phenomenal truck from the stock form, but I mean, a huge night and day improvement. He's going to be here very shortly. I can't wait to see his initial reaction. I haven't seen him a picture yet, because I just want to see his genuine process reaction when he gets here. But as far as the interior on the Platinum, you get so many nice creature comforts that you can expect out of this is a luxury truck. You got that cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitor. I love the black with silver contrast stitching. You got that Marsala wine color stitching throughout, which really ties in so nicely with the ruby red exterior. Power deployable running boards. On the ready lift kit, you do get upper control arms to go along with that, but essentially a spacer and a block out back. Full component, we do align it as well. So it's just a unbelievable money setup. He's going to love this truck. for many years to come. And I just, again, am very, very thankful for all of our great customers, but especially ones that I have a past with. It just really is hits me right in the heart, y'all. That's how we do what we do. So I got SEMA coming up next week. Got a big deer hunting trip coming up also. We got the Braves this weekend. We got the Dogs beating the Gators, #1 team in the country. There's so much going on right now, but we're still eye on the prize of what we got going on here at Willies at Akins. Still got big dreams going for you. A lot more to come, so stay tuned for more. Hit that subscribe button, and obviously, you know you got to stay positive, y'all. You know you got to stay positive no matter what. I'm out here getting wet, but I'm doing this for you because this truck is a beauty. Thanks so much. Peace.